It was a quiet Saturday morning when I arrived at my lake cabin for a much-needed weekend getaway. The sun was just beginning to rise, casting a golden glow over the water, and I felt a sense of relief wash over me. But that peace was short-lived. As I stepped out of my car, I noticed something strange. The door to my cabin, which I had securely locked, was slightly ajar. My heart sank. I walked cautiously up the steps, my mind racing with thoughts of what could have happened. As I pushed the door open, I froze in shock. There, standing in the middle of my living room, was Karen from the HOA, rummaging through my personal belongings with no permission and no apparent reason. "Karen, what are you doing here?" I demanded, my voice a mix of anger and disbelief. She looked up, a smug grin spreading across her face. "Just making sure you're not violating any of the HOA's rules," she said dismissively. I couldn't believe it. I had been through this before, the constant overreach of the HOA, trying to control everything, even what happened inside my own cabin. But this was a new low. Karen had no right to be here, let alone break into my property. I took a deep breath, fighting to keep my composure. I wasn't about to let her get away with this. I immediately pulled out my phone and dialed the state attorney general's office. I knew exactly what to do. The law was clear. Karen had violated my rights, and I wasn't about to stand for it. As I spoke to the representative on the line, I explained the situation in detail, knowing that they would take immediate action. Karen, still oblivious to what was coming, continued to snoop around, her back turned to me. When I hung up the phone, I took a few steps forward and calmly addressed her. "You need to leave, Karen. You've crossed the line this time. I've already contacted the state attorney general. You won't be getting away with this." Her face drained of color as she realized the gravity of the situation. The smug confidence that had been on her face moments earlier faded, replaced by a look of panic. "You can't do this," she stammered. But it was too late. As she backed out of the cabin, I felt a sense of satisfaction knowing that Karen had finally pushed too far. The law would protect me, and this time the HOA's overbearing influence would be stopped in its tracks.